this video, we're going to take a look at an equation that has no solution. This would be a type of equation that you would encounter at the very beginning of an Algebra 1 class. Now, when you first start to solve it, you're probably not going to be able to recognize right off the bat that it's going to be a no solution. So you're going to go about solving it just like you would any equation. So you see that 7x there and a minus x. So we're going to combine those like terms on the right-hand side of the equation. So the left-hand side is going to stay as 6x minus 5 is equal to, putting those like terms together, I'll have a 6x and then a plus 7. All right, at this point, you probably still do not realize it's going to be a no solution. So you're going to go about continuing to solve it like you would any equation. One of your first steps would be to take the x terms and move them to the left, and then taking the numbers and moving them to the right. So that first step, you would probably subtract 6x and then subtract 6x. 6x minus 6x makes the 6x go away over here. If you actually come over here and look at what you've written, 6x minus 6x over here also falls out. All right, and that's okay. I have a negative 5 left on the left-hand side, a 7 left on the right-hand side. Now, we know that negative 5 does not equal 7, so I have a false statement. All right, anytime you solve an equation and your variables fall out and then you are left with a false sentence, then that is when you know you have a no solution. Okay, so like I said, there are many other types of no solutions as well, but this would be one that you would be introduced to first in a beginning Algebra 1 class. Definitely, thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.